binabanggit po ni Kong Una at saka ni former President Duterte.
O kaya nga,
Black entry.
yes, talaga yun ang dahilan kung bakit umalma nga ako at tuluyang hindi ako pumirma kasi natatakot ako sa mga blanco-blanco at kulang-kulang na mga datos.
Ma'am, niraise niyo po yan dati sa finance panel nung nakita niyo nung una. Nabanggit niyo po ba sa mga kasama niyo? Bakit may mga blanco?
Nag-privilege speech nga ako eh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Andun sa privilege speech ko, oo. Pinag-usapan ko na nga yan. Akala ko maaayos. Ayun.
Is it highly irregular na may mga pinipirmahan na blank entries?
Pero alam mo, dalawang magkaibang dokumento ang tinutukoy nila. Yung isa, yung BICAM report na talagang blanco at kulang-kulang ang datos. Yung isa naman, yung GAA, napuno na ng mga numbers. Kompleto na yon. Hindi naman siya blanco-blanco. Yung GAA mismo na napirmahan. Yung gulat-gulat yung BICAM kung bakit nakalusot na may mga blankong amounts.
Ma'am, yung enrolled bill, nakita niyo po ba yung enrolled bill?
Oo naman.
Wala na po siya.
Wala. Kasi syempre nga yung napirmahan, may napuno na eh. Hindi.
And promises how to be brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.
Serenade each other with careless melodies. Something buried deep inside us that made.
You know, Mr. Senator, I was the one who took you out of the rut when you were imprisoned in Camp Crame. I never did this before. President Aquino invited me to attend a cabinet meeting on the Scarborough problem, and I told you, who authorized you to make a backroom negotiation with the Chinese? I do not know how many times you have been to China. My understanding is you have been to China talking to the Chinese government for 6 times already.
Yes. And
that you have met them 15 or 16 times.
Yes.
For what reason? We do not know. Are you becoming a 5th columnist of the Chinese in this country? And I have here the white paper that you've been writing about the Secretary of Foreign Affairs. August 17 2012. He cannot take the hit. He's a coward. Senator Trillanes requested that no notes be taken. That's why